Hi guys, this is Saad Qureshi and today we're gonna learn how to download and install Power BI Desktop free version on Windows 11 machine. But first, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and share your feedback in the form of comments. So first of all, I'm going to open the Google Chrome browser. I'm going to type download Power BI Desktop, then I'll click this link. And from this link, I will download the Microsoft Power BI Desktop. I will select the English language and I'll click download. Since my machine is 64 bits, I'll choose this option and I'll click download. This will start the download process. So I have already downloaded this exe file. So from here I'm going to cancel this download. Okay. Now I'm going to click the exe file and this will start the installation process. Okay. Language I will select English, click next. Yes, and then afterwards this is going to show me the path where I want to install. Click next. I accept. Okay, next. Okay, this is the path where I want to install this the Power BI Desktop version. Click next and next. Okay, this will start installing the Power BI Desktop. Okay, meanwhile I'm going to show you the different available pricings. Okay, different versions of Power BI. We have the free version and then we have the Power BI Pro version, then Power BI Premium version, and then this version. Okay, Pro version is $10 per month. And if you look at the features of this Pro version, you can create reports with desktop. Okay, with Pro version you can also create reports with desktop. Okay, you can publish and share reports, but when it comes to free version you cannot share and collaborate and publish reports. Okay, advanced AI features are available in the Pro version, in the Premium version, sorry, not in the Pro version. Okay, so these are the features available in all these three versions. Okay, you can look at the pricing details, etc. Now let me check the installation process where it has reached. So it is going to take some time to complete the installation process. Meanwhile you have to wait. So it has been completed. Next I'm going to click finish. So it is going to open the Power BI Desktop automatically. Go to the blank report and this is the interface of Power BI Desktop. So on my right is visualization part where you have different visualization availables. This one is the properties of this canvas. Okay, you can change the properties, you can add color. On my left is the report view, table view, then I have the hierarchy. So from here you can import the Excel file. Like for instance, if I want to import the Excel file in my Power BI, I can easily do it from here. Okay, connecting. Now it is importing the Excel file. Now the first option is that do you want to transform this data before loading? If yes, then you have to click this option, transform data. Okay, this will open the Power Query Editor. So in Power BI, Power Query Editor is a tool that gives you variety of different data transformation options. Like in this case, I want to remove duplicates. I'm going to go in the remove row section and I'll click the remove duplicates. So it will remove duplicates from my data set. Okay, the step is added, remove duplicates. Next I want to split the name column into first name and last name. What I will do, I will click the name column and I will click this option, split column, and I will click by delimiter. I want to split by delimiter. So delimiter value is space. I want to split on the basis of space. Which space? Leftmost space. So the leftmost space is the first space after the first name. Okay, now I am going to click OK. Look, a new step is added. Now I am going to change the name value to first name and this will be the last name. Okay, last name. Okay, now if you look at the gender column, I have variety of different values like male, M, female, F. So I want all M should be male and F should be female. Okay, now for that I will use the replace function. So how I'm going to use it? Right click, select the gender column, right click, replace values, and click type F, go to the advanced option, match entire cell content, click this and replace with female, click OK. This will replace all the F value with female. Likewise I'm going to do it for M, replace values, M replace it with male. All the M values will be replaced with male. Now let me just select the match entire cell content. Okay, now done and dusted. Now you will see I have only two values, male and female. Okay, this option is done and dusted. Now what I want from this date, hire date, I want the year value. So how I'm going to get the year? I will add a new custom column from this and go to the add column, go to the custom column, and I'll write a formula for this. I'll write year, hire year, the value should be hire year, and I'll write a formula date dot year, and just remove the first date. I only want date dot year, and inside date dot year I'll insert the column hire date. Where is the hire date column? This one. Click insert. Now this part is going to give me year from this hire date, and the new column name will be hire year. Now look, hire year. Now I'm going to place the hire year value right after the hire date. Okay, now if you want to change the data type, you can do it from here. Right now the default data type for job type is set as text. Look, text. This one is the whole number. Okay, for hire date the data type is set as date. It is okay, I don't want to change it. For this I want to set as whole number. It is set as default. I don't want to change the data type for this column. Okay, so these are the small little transformations that you can do before loading the data in Power BI. In models, now the data is ready to load. Now what I will do, I will go in the home section and I will click close and apply. The moment I will click close and apply, all these changes will be applied on my data set and the Power Query window will be closed. Okay, now click close and apply. Okay, now you will see apply changes, the data set is loaded. Okay, now these are the columns in my data set. Now I want to see the table view. If you want to see the table view, you can go and see the table view as well. Okay, if you want to see the report view, you can go and see the report view as well. This one is the hierarchy view as well. So from this section you can create different visualizations. Like for instance, I want card and I want to place this the salary value here. Where is the salary value? I need to look at the salary value from my data set. I don't think it has a salary value here right now. Okay, now this is how you're going to install and use this Power BI desktop. I hope you're having a great time learning the concepts. I would request you at the end, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and share your feedback in the form of comments. Thank you so much and have a great learning.